Okay, what's up everyone? This is the 2nd of June. We are posting a trade recap today. So, well, whatever. So I took this trade today and I will get back to this trade. But first, I want to show you guys the account that I passed. This is the 50K account. This is the first account I've passed since I started making content. Basically, I just started for my own sake, but it took me 10 trading days to pass. I didn't post on the 29th. I made $800, and then I didn't post on the 30th, and I made 1.2K. So those are pretty good trades. I'll include screenshots. I don't have the levels for those trades anymore on my account, so I'm sorry I can not show it to you, but like I'll include the screenshots, so I'll talk you through it. So this trade was on the 29th of May. You can see my levels, where I entered, where my stop was, where my take profit was. You can see how much I made. And then here is the trade on the 30th that I took. Also, you can see my levels, what I traded off of, and then how much I made, you know. So like now you can see the graph right here. I hit it in 10 days. So that was pretty good. I went under, like I was in drawdown for a bit, and then I came up pretty well. I had a losing day with like negative $300, and then I just took like 3 trades which all hit. I made 53.1K, pretty good. And then I just want to tell you guys that I really appreciate all the support that I got. I would have never guessed that I would be getting like 10K views, 30 watch hours, and then like 50 subs. I'm really grateful for everyone, and I will try to post on like a more regular schedule. I'm like not as reserved as I was during the last like 4 or 5 days. I had to do a lot of stuff, but let's go over this trade. Oh my god, we can see a really good setup here. I mean, you already would have took this trade. I'll explain this trade if you wanted to take it. So, you know, we had a pretty quick run up here, and then like we had a pretty good like pullback from a level somewhere around here, 15-minute. Yeah, like liquidity here, as well as levels. Like it touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah 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 blah, a lot of times, and then we had a pullback from here. So we just took liquidity basically. And then this trade, you would have marked these levels out before market open. Market open was actually like a really sharp push up. And then you waited for a reversal. You could have traded the reversal with maybe this kind of closing below, and then just until like the top of this level on market open. And then you would have saw this level getting wicked out twice, so 1, 2. You would have entered because it closed above, wicked it out, and then you could target like either this fair value gap right here. You could go up to liquidity. I'll mark it out for you. Maybe enter right here, boom. Okay, maybe like you entered here, like 50% of this FEG, you would have hit it, stop under levels, and you're probably going to hit this trade if you did take it. So my trade, what was my trade? As you can see, market open was bullish, like really fucking bullish. It was one big push, and then just continued this momentum upwards. So we had these levels, price touched it a bunch of times. If you go back, you can see that. And then with this candle, a minute before market open, we closed above the level, so that gave me confidence to enter for a long. But by the time I could enter, we were already pushing somewhere up here, and it closed so quickly I could not enter. So I waited for some reaction off of this level, and then this candle closed slightly above this level, so I entered from here. We had a little bit of a pullback right here, but then this candle was like a really good push up. So that gave me like confidence to stay in this trade. And then the next candle, it just hit it, and then, you know, we hit the levels, and you could have traded this reversal, or this like other reversal is just like boom boom boom, some head and shoulders pattern shit. So yeah, this is my trade. I will be posting more content for you guys, shorts, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, if you want to see. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and peace out.